minute. Marina has questions for me. Let's hear.
Yes, Luca, I have a question about ladies' vocabulary.
Okay, go ahead.
So, how to say in Italian perfume? Perfume.
Profumo. Profumo.
And how about this? Earrings.
Orecchini. Orecchini.
And this is a lipstick.
This is called rossetto. Rossetto.
And how about this? A nail polish.
And this is called smalto. Smalto. So, especially for the girls, if you're interested in more words of the same topic, just write it down in the comments below.
And support me. Let's do ladies' vocabulary.
We'll make more videos. See you in this playlist. Shorts, 1 minute, easy Italian.